Wait a little bit! This is prototype numero 5. The last one was called Air. This is now also Air. I made a start on Jungle, but it's not nearly ready enough for me to display. So here we have Air with some colours for better referencing. Putting a flame through the fire in the flames. There it is, burning. Could deal with some more tweaking actually, but for now it gives a nice effect. It looks like a missile stuck in the ground actually. No, it doesn't. It looks perfect. It looks just like a torch. So that's the end of the level. Eggs with baby pterodactyls in. Pterodactyls spelt with the P. Weird. Chucked a palm tree in because I can. Still only got one win working because the time it takes to animate them both synchronizing in time is just not worth it for a prototype. One will do. Put an eye on the head of that so it looks normal, and made the starting platform, just testing out an idea with the level to make it seem more believable despite playing golf in Jurassic Stone Age period, but whatever. By making it as if it's coming off a giant tower. Got a cheeky sound effect in there. Gonna put more in very soon. In fact, I might just do the orb script right here, right now, live. But first I'll test this, give you a run through the game so far. We'll maximise this. And Lord Viagra said, enlarge! There we go. Score's nice and ready for me to put the orbs in. Let's give it a boom. Look, it sort of looks like it's snowing. It gives that maybe a bit more tweaking, but the overall effect of snow is quite... Shut up a minute. The overall effect of snow is quite potent. Oh yeah, let's go. So a more refined version of the last prototype, not innovative, in Indonesia. It's just more beautiful to look at. Pachoo! Oh, I hate this game! Right. Cannonball! You are winner! Yeah! So there you go, boom. Refined game, finish, start. Just gonna put in some cheeky orbs now. Cheeky orbs are basically gonna show the path. Well, not the path, though. A path, a recommended path. We'll make a tiny little sphere. Make sure it's at Z. Shrink it down. It's only a little collectible. Move it up. That's alright. I'll duplicate that a couple of times. I lied 3 times. Right, let's get them. I don't even know if this is the correct path. I'll obviously tweak the correct path eventually, but just for lols at the moment. Doo-ba-doo-doo. Is there one more? Oh, look at me being popular on Facebook. That's a... This is gonna go knocking and flying. This is gonna be a bad idea. Oi! Wait, give me another go. No, don't want to... Yeah, that's it. Oh, ooh, need to sort out. Yeah, you can pretty much pick them up. Right, nice. Make sure each one is an is trigger. Izzy wizzy, let's get busy. I'm gonna use a script that I made in my previous previous prototype game for last semester, where I made a Crash Bandicoot ripoff. I'm not afraid to say it. These can be called coins, for the sake of my other script had coins written in it as well. It's good to keep. Yeah, they sort of are coins in a way, in a generic way. So everything's named coins. They're all triggers. They all look beautiful. So my old scripts, I had a coin grab, convenient. Oh no, it was coin singular. Damn. One day I'm gonna make a video where it's my face in the bottom right corner, so you could see sometimes the anger, the tenacity in my face. Right, so coin grab, which is my script that I wrote using the forums. On trigger, enter my trigger collider. If my trigger game object name is coin, add 5 to the score and destroy the game object. Now, the static variable is 0. Yeah, that's correct. I should add that. I can never press copy enough. Add that to the script that's already on my ball, because that's basically saying if it collides with. What are you doing? Right, so we've already got that. Don't need that. Can delete that. That'd look more beautiful up at the top. Ooh, cheeky, cheeky. Get that there. Shuffle this up a little bit. That can go there. Not bothered. Cheers, orange. Thanks. Get my hopes up. Destroy my trigger game object. It is a game object. The game object is called coin. That's for score. Control save this. I think there might be an error. There's no way to find out, Mark. Is there an error? Yeah, there is. Didn't need that one. Should have double checked that. New error. Right. Bada bin, bada boom. Score 0. Aim up. Yes! It grabbed one. But it didn't add to my score. It makes me so angry. I meant to miss that, just so I could get that. Let's try again. Oh, devilish. It'd help if this arrow was more accurate in where it's pointing. Right, anyway, so it didn't add to score. So, that means... where's my score attached? Why do I not know where my score is attached? Is it on the GUI script? No. Score display, it's its own script. Of course it's its own script. Score display on trigger. If you're already there, well, that is just awkward. What have I put my score display on? I put it on the camera, didn't I? Okie dokie. Well, if I get rid of my main... Did I not put it on the camera? Did I put it on the golf ball helper? Did I put it on the golf ball? Where is this script? I didn't put it on the waterfall. Although the waterfall, that's just a rainbow, right? It's not. There isn't a hidden waterfall in here. Although it'd be so cool to do a hidden waterfall, but I'm not doing a hidden waterfall. I might do a hidden waterfall. It's up to you. Well, it's not up to you. It's up to me. There we go. Score display is attached to the ball camera. So if I'm cheeky, remove. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Remove that. Add it to the golf ball helper. No, add it to this. What was it called again? Score display. Add it to the actual golf ball. See if this makes a difference. What's the golf ball's already got the thing on it? No, it hasn't. It has 2 scripts on it as well. I can get rid of one of them. No, it works. It'll just send everything crazy. Everything works at the moment. Don't mess with something that's not broken. Let's try that. If I can hit the thins. There we go. Took one, added 5. Bada bin. Oh, added 10. Now, as you can see, we'll just repeat thousands of these everywhere. La da 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 da. But now we want it to play a sound. So, if it's in my old scripts, I can't remember how I did it. I think. What did I do to it? On collision. Nope. Coin grab. See, why don't I have the sound playing there? Getting hit. Health control. Load level. Move the ball. Oh, well, I had to move that ball. Reload level. Score. Secret open. Right, I know that getting hit plays a sound. Killing enemy makes a sound. It played something. Dog dead. There we go. That's all we need to do. The variable, so that's where I put the audio clip in, and that's what happens on trigger enter. Let's open up my other script currently. How long is this video going on for? I hope YouTube don't get mad. Score display. That's the one that's touching it. So I wish these wouldn't tab each other. Just put them next to each other, please. Audio source. Copy that cheeky little one. Stick it there. They put these weird lines in as well, but never mind. Then we've got to declare the variable and the audio position of it. So take them two, put them up there. Watch this just ruin everything. It turned me inside. Right. Close that. Any errors? No. Scroll down. Now it's wanting to know the audio position, which is. It is what it is, and what it is a jinxed is bad. So basically, the ball itself doesn't play the sound. The pickups don't play the sound, but the ball plays the sound every time it collides with a coin, and then it destroys it straight after. It's all like 1/1000th of a frame. So we need to add a sound in my neat folder area here, as I put everything in folders and then realised it messed loads up, so I had to go back. We want the sound of a bone cracking. Do we want it in 3D? No, we do not, because we want it just a plain sound, because if it's in 3D, if you're distant from it, but you won't ever be distant, it doesn't matter anyway, it's all good to play it. Don't know if you can hear that. Crank it up to 11. The sound of a breaking leg. Right, so bone crack, golf ball, scroll down, pick the audio clip. Play that. I got them all in one. I shouldn't have got them all in one. That's terrible. Let's space them out a bit. Let's just, as a test, one there. One there. Maybe one on the way down there. And put this one just there, just in case, right? Let's try that. I should turn the sound down. Background music. Background music isn't mine! Oh, it worked! Nom nom. Score 10. Glorious. You get the picture, it works. Right, so that's, yeah, there's the orb put into it as well. Collectibles adds to the score. Now I just need to make the score maybe increase during time. I don't know, something like that. Control S, beautiful. So now my next task, while I wait to solve these minor bugs like power bar and respawn, is to get my game working online. It just doesn't load. Everything's fine except it doesn't load, but it's fine, we'll get over it. Things to do, things to do, things to do. Right. I've got to stop playing that. So yeah, oh I know, control save. Before I go, one last thing, levels, jungle. Wow, it's so good. Enough said. Thank you very much. Good night.